Good morning, dear children.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all? Hope you all are doing very well. Okay. Let's wait for a couple of minutes to all other participants. Then after we will start our class. Today's class we are going to discuss about the chapter 6 of civics, that is understanding criminal justice system, which we had already discussed in the class. So today all of you will do our group discussion. Is it okay? Is it okay to all of you? All of you are unmuted from my side, children. You are free to talk now. But
Good morning, ma'am.
very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Shreyans, how many times good morning, beta? What is the actual strength of the class? 8, 32 or 42?
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. No, 53 is not correct answer, Naman. It's not 53. Okay. So, till 9:05 we will wait for all other students. Then after we will start today's class. So till then, all of you, those who are present here, prepare one topic of the chapter which we are going discuss today. Criminal justice system. Unnecessarily don't unmute your mic, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
No, it's 42 or 43, Naman. Okay, till then, all of you, please prepare the topics. We are going to do a group discussion on the topic. Okay. Then after tomorrow, we will discuss question and answers, MCQs for the same. Why I am discussing chapter again and again? कि आप लोग को जो छोटी छोटी पॉइंट्स है वो भी याद हो जाए, क्योंकि we are going to face only and only MCQs here. Okay. Till then, news headlines. I'm waiting for news headlines, children. You can deliver news headlines. We have 2 minutes now. Till then, you can deliver today's news headlines. Yes, Suryansh. Bhumika. Darshan. Naman, Gunjan, Ronak, Shreyans. Two Shreyans then are there. Both of you, please keep on your video. Okay, one more thing, children. Daily teachers will not tell you to on your video. Shreyans, आपका वीडियो बहुत ब्लर आ रहा है बेटा. Another Shreyans.
मैम कैमरा खराब है.
One more Shreyans Jain is there. He left the class.
Ma'am, may I tell the news?
First of all,
Bhumika.
Bhumika, I am seeing you, but need to keep on your video. All of you have to keep on your video for attendance. It is compulsory. Otherwise, I have to remove you from the class. Do you want so? आप लोग को चाहिए कि क्लास से रिमूव कर दूं मैं? And after 9:10, I will lock the meeting also. Nobody can enter after 10 minutes. So it's compulsory to keep on your video. फाइन डोंट डू. जब मैं रिमूव करना शुरू करूंगी फिर आप लोग कंप्लेंट नहीं करिएगा.
Ma'am. Ma'am, can you see my video?
Not now, but
Ma'am, but from my side, I have switched on
now
my camera.
it is visible, Bhumika. It is visible now. Suryansh, Pahalwadya, Anjan,
Ma'am.
Shania, Darshan, Keshav.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I am able to see these children. Okay, now it's 9:05. Bhumika, you going to deliver news headlines? So please.
Yes, ma'am. Kerala driver arrested after dragging a dog for 2 kilometers. Car seized.
Okay, one more. What is a special about today? What is the special about today? Anyone of you? Okay, I'm giving you hint. It is related to your SST stream geography. Now tell. लावण्या mute आपको beta recording is going on and the same video we will upload in the portal, so if it is not necessary don't on your mic. Okay, so the next news I am going to deliver is today is special about the geography that today is solar eclipse along with new moon. ओके, अमावस्या के साथ साथ क्या है आज? सूर्य ग्रहण भी है. But in India, we are not able to see that eclipse because what is the reason? When it occurred, it would be the time of sunset in India. Okay, so we are not able to see that eclipse. Is it clear? All of you?
So is it clear of you? So is it clear of you?
Here I am going to mute all of you children because unnecessarily you are making noise. That is not okay.
Not acceptable.
Who is saying that? Moksh Pincha? Children, what's the wrong with you? The same video we are going to upload in the portal. अच्छा लगेगा आपके नाम के साथ ये दिखेगा कि आप इस तरह से not acceptable like type of comment you are giving. Now last time I am saying keep on our video all of you. Otherwise I am going to remove you from the class. Then please don't complain. And don't forget we are going to revise the chapter criminal justice system. Is it visible to all of you? Fine. Okay, Laksh, it's okay. So, criminal justice system. The term criminal justice refer to the agencies of government charged with enforcing law, adjudicating criminals, and correcting criminal conduct. A criminal justice system is a set of legal and social institutions for enforcing the criminal law in accordance with a defined set of procedural rules and limitations. A criminal justice system is a set of legal and social institutions for enforcing the criminal law. The phrase criminal justice system refers to a collection of federal, state, and local public agencies that deal with the crime problem. So these are the definitions, and it could be asked. Objectives of criminal justice system. What are the objectives? To prevent the occurrence of crime, to punish the criminals. क्या है मेन रोल क्या है क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम का? टू प्रिवेंट द अकरेंस ऑफ क्राइम, टू पनिश द criminals, to rehabilitate the criminals. Sometimes what it happened when the criminals get any punishment, what it happen? उसका माइंड भी चेंज हो जाता है ना, माइंड भी चेंज हो जाता है और वो क्या करने लगता है कि कई बार उसके जो थॉट्स हैं, जो क्राइम करना वो चाहता है वो नहीं करता है ना. To compensate the victims as far as possible, to maintain law and order in the society, to deter the offenders from community and criminal act in the future. Okay, now you people will discuss this with me. I am going to stop the video here. Now you will tell one by one, need to raise your hand. What is the next topic? And the next topic of the what is the role of police in investigating a crime? What is the role of police in investigating a crime? चलो अभी आप लोग बताएंगे. चैतन्य और Chaitanya, very good beta. He is always ready to answer. Anyone else? I'm waiting. All the hands should be raised. All the hands should be raised. Children, last time I'm telling you, keep on your video, all of you. Only Suryansh is visible here. बार बार बोलने का वेट करते हैं क्या आप लोग? Here I am going to remove you all. मोक्ष पिंचाल, साक्षी, भूमिका जैन, केशव बैद, दर्शन, रौनक, जैनब रामपुरिया, भवी, राशि जैन and कुशल जैन. Shall I remove you? Sur. Bhumika is visible now. Okay, Laksh, tell the answer. Then
Ma'am, in a crime, the role of police is to investigate the crime and collect all the evidence related to that crime and and collect the witnesses about the crime. Ma'am, but the police cannot decide whether the person is accused or guilty.
accused or guilty or not, है ना? Not accused. Okay, Chaitanya,
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Chaitanya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was telling that. Ma'am, you asked now what is the role of police in this investigation.
Yes.
Ma'am, as you know that investigation, it's a process of finding out proofs, then submitting that proof to the higher agencies, and then ma'am making a final decision what to do with that person who has occurred that crime.
Yes.
सो मैम
Hmm.
जो पुलिस होता है ना मैम जितनी
हाँ.
भी बेसिक चीज़ें होती है ना जैसे कि प्रूफ इकट्ठा करना उसके
Hmm.
बाद ही इफ बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रूफ if he is found guilty so police has to arrest him that then ma'am he has to also fight a case in the court the person who is arrested
Hmm.
and ma'am police should not force the person to confess police should not beat मीन्स उसको जैसे वो करते ना
Torture.
लाइक बीटिंग कोई
Yes, torture.
बिना मतलब का मारना पीटना
हाँ.
यस टॉर्चरिंग
So this is
यस
Article 22, है
एंड
ना?
पुलिस शुड हैव
Yes, yes. Yes,
यस
Chaitanya.
एंड मैम पुलिस शुड हैव अ लिटिल मैम आई एम नॉट टेलिंग दैट एकदम ही वैसा एटीट्यूड जैसे कुछ नहीं करना बट दे
Yes.
शुड हैव अ लिटिल सेंस ऑफ मैम ह्यूमैनिटी टुवर्ड्स दैट पर्सन
Yes, all the things what
लिटिल
both
मैम
of
पॉइंट
you are
वन
saying is about Article 22, है ना? According to
हाँ
Article 22. So ultimately we can say the role of police is to investigate any complaint about the commission of a crime. And investigation includes recording statements of witnesses and collecting different kind of evidences. If the police think that the evidence point to the guilt of the accused person, then they file a charge. Then they file a charge sheet in the court. Within 24 hours, police have to submit a charge sheet in the court, but whether a person is guilty or innocent, it is decided by only the judge or the court, not by the police. As everyone is subjected to law of land, including police, therefore police investigation always have to be conducted in accordance with the law and with full respect of for human rights, as just Chaitanya told, hai na? Next is Article 22. Okay, who will tell about the Article 22? Children, all the hands should be raised. Why you are not saying? Arham, tell about the only three names: Laksh, Naman, and Chaitanya. Yes, Naman.
Ma'am, according to Article 22, the right to be presented before the no, ma'am. A boy under 15 years of age and woman cannot be called to the police station only for questioning.
Yes.
Second is the right not be uh, ill-treated. Means the accused can't be treated badly. Third is the right to present the accused under 24 hours of arrest.
Ha.
Fourth is fourth, ma'am, this much only I know.
Okay, good. Next, Arham. Yes, tell the answer, beta. Then after Pahal, be ready.
No person who is arrested shall be detained in custody without being informed as soon as may be of the grounds for such not arrest, nor shall be denied the right to consult.
Anything else
Ma'am, only
you
this
want
much
to
I
tell?
know.
Okay. Anything else, Chaitanya?
Yes, ma'am, I just wanted to add a little bit.
Yes.
Ma'am, in this Article 22, first of all, ma'am, this person which is arrested, first of all, before arresting, police should inform him that you are getting arrested. And ma'am, the ma'am very first duty of police personnel according to this article is to tell him ground of his detention as soon as possible. And ma'am, the second rule means the second rule in this article states that ma'am, for example, if he wants to meet his means he want to tell about this arrest to his relatives, to his caring one, to his friend. So under 24 hours he can inform them, or police should call means police should call them and inform, or सीधा सीधा पुलिस बुला सकती है उस एरिया
Ma'am,
में.
now may I tell?
Yes.
One point may I tell now? Yes, ma'am. The police who is coming to the house of the person who is being going to arrest, the police should wear his identity proof that he is a policeman, his ID passwords and means the badges he
Yes.
need to wear.
Form, ID card, etc. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Ultimately, all the points we got it. Article 22 of Constitution and Criminal Law guarantee to every arrested person the following fundamental rights. है ना? And these rights are, as all of you told very correctly, the right to be informed at the time of arrest of the offense for which the person is being arrested. The right not to be ill-treated or tortured during arrest or in the custody. आप custody में लाके as we always supposed to see in movies or the serials na CID and all, crime patrol and all, we supposed to see कि they are the accused person is beaten by the police very brutally, है ना? तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, but it happens. Confession made in police custody cannot be used as a evidence against the accused. Yes, whatever confession is made in police custody, is never used as evidence in the court. Sometimes what it happened forcefully or by the torturing. Police what supposed to do? They take forcefully any evidence. लिखवा लेते हैं उनसे मार पीट करके, है ना, इसलिए उसको एक एविडेंस नहीं माना जाता. A boy under 15 year, a boy matlab a child under 15 year of age and women cannot be called to police station only for questioning, and while arresting or something else by investigation. At the time of investigation, the officer should must be with proper identity. So this is article 22. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear, children? Fine. Next thing is first information report, FIR. First information report, FIR. How many of you are not knowing about the FIR? कितने लोगों को नहीं पता है FIR के बारे में? How many of you are not knowing, not uh, clear about FIR? All clear? All of you are knowing. Shreyans, you are not knowing, beta. No issue. कोई बात नहीं, अभी बता देते हैं. So here Moksh Pincha will tell about the FIR. Yes, Moksh. Moksh, you are unmuted from my side, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, now tell about FIR. Children, please keep
Ma'am,
on your video.
FIR
You
means
एक मिनट
first.
मोक्ष, एक मिनट रुक जाओ.
Yes, ma'am. FIR means first investigation report.
It is first investigation report or first information report.
Information, yes.
Yes,
Sorry.
first information report.
Yes, ma'am.
Here I got answer from Pehal Vaidya that she is saying police can start the investigation only after the registration on FIR. Only this much. Only. Okay, fine. FIR stand for first information report. ठीक है? First, police can bring investigation into crime only with the registration of an FIR. The law states that it is compulsory for an officer in charge of police station to register an FIR when person gives information about the recognizable offense. FIR usually consists of the date, time, place of the offense, details of the offense, and which includes the description of the event. It also states the name and the address of the complainant. Okay, children. Complainant have got the legal right to keep a free copy of the FIR from the police. जो कंप्लेन करता है उसका नाम, पता, एड्रेस, एज, all the things are there in the report of FIR. Fine. And a copy, free copy, a complainant had the right to keep a free copy with him or her. Second thing, which is not given in your NCERT book, but it is compulsory to keep, it is compulsory to hand, FIR is always in handwritten form, not in a typed form. हमेशा वो हाथ से लिखा जाता है, उसको कंप्यूटराइज या टाइप नहीं किया जाता. Okay, children? Is it clear? What you have sent me, Arham, it is, we are not talking about the abroad beta, we are discussing on the topic of India, है ना? Now it is clear to all of you, FIR? Suryansh? Okay, fine. The next topic, Public prosecutor, yes, in a criminal justice law, criminal justice system, first of all, कहीं पर भी कोई crime होता है ना, whenever a crime is occurred, police, public prosecutor, defense lawyer, and ultimately judge. Judge is there. These are the four main key players of criminal justice system. फर्स्ट पुलिस, अभी तक हमने क्या किया, वी डिस्कस अबाउट द पुलिस. कहीं पे कोई क्राइम हुआ, सबसे पहले कौन जाता है, पुलिस. इन्वेस्टिगेशन कौन करता है, पुलिस. एफआईआर कौन लिखता है, पुलिस. यहाँ पे पुलिस जैसे ही किसी अक्यूज पर्सन को अरेस्ट करता है ना, आफ्टर अरेस्टिंग ऑफ 24 hours, पुलिस नीड टू चार्ज प्रेजेंट द चार्जशीट इन द कोर्ट, है ना. जैसे ही कोर्ट में चार्जशीट लगा दिया, द रोल ऑफ पुलिस is finished. The role of court is start. When we talk about the role of court, अब कितने सारे की प्लेयर्स आ जाते हैं हमारे पास, वी हैव थ्री मेन की प्लेयर्स, पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर, डिफेंस लॉयर एंड जज, है ना. हैव यू एवर सीन इन द मूवीज, जॉली एलएलबी देखा है आप लोगों ने, जॉली एलएलबी 2, जॉली एलएलबी, हैव यू सीन दिस मूवी. So what we have seen in this movie, ki one person is continuously criticizing or trying to prove that the accused person is a criminal, or है ना, another one is trying to save him, है ना, and ultimately who is taking decision, judge. So in reality also such type of things happened. Yes, Suryansh, Rustam movie also, है ना, a court scene is there, है ना. So many movies we have seen a court scene. So this is the real scenario of court, कि there are three main key players. These are defense lawyer, public prosecutor and judge. So first of all we will discuss about the public prosecutor. Public prosecutor is a law officer who conducts criminal proceeding on behalf of the state or on the public interest. हमेशा सरकार की तरफ से लड़ाई लड़ते हैं, इसलिए इन हिंदी टर्म वी कॉल हिम और हर एज अ सरकारी वकील, है ना. जो अक्यूज होता है उसको हमेशा क्रिमिनल प्रूफ करने के लिए ये सरकारी वकील किए जाते हैं. दूसरा एक होता है जो डिफेंस होता है, नाम से पता है, डिफेंस लॉयर, who tries to save the accused. Clear? Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear, children? Okay, thank you. So, role of public prosecutor in court, public prosecutor represent in the interest of state. The role of public prosecutor being once the police has conducted the investigation and filed the charge sheet in the court, he must conduct the prosecution on behalf of the state. He or she is expected to act impartially and present the full and material facts, witnesses and evidences before the court. ठीक है, दोनों पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर और डिफेंस लॉयर दोनों का जब काम खत्म हो जाता है, दोनों तरफ की बातें जज सुन लेते हैं, तब शुरू होता है द रोल ऑफ जज. नाउ हु विल टेल अबाउट द रोल ऑफ जज. रोल ऑफ जज, नमन, भूमिका और बेटा आप लोग भी ट्राई करो बोलने का. लावण्या, टेल अबाउट द रोल ऑफ जज. Suryansh Jain, very good. Arham Jain, some more I want. Now I got Pahal Vaidya, Arham Jain, Bhumika, Suryansh and Naman. I will start with Pahal. Yes, Pahal.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the judge can only decide who is guilty after listening all the evidence.
Yes. Yes. Suryansh.
Ma'am, 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 the judge is one of the
Ma'am, the judge is one of the key player in the criminal justice system.
Yes.
The judge decides whether the accused person is guilty or innocent.
Yes. Here I got one answer from
Bus,
Mokshincha.
ma'am.
He is saying to listen to both the victim and guilty and give a judgment. Yes. Good. Well tried. Now, Naman.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the rules of judge are write the judgment, pass the judgment, conduct a fair trial, met the accused person, and decide means judge decided for how many years the means accused person will put in the jail.
Ye.
Uh, examine the witness in court.
Examine. हाँ ठीक है. Now about the fair trial. Okay. फेयर ट्रायल मैं आप लोग को बता दे रही हूँ. अकॉर्डिंग टू आर्टिकल 21, ज्यादा कंफ्यूजन मत होना. स्लाइट डिफरेंस इज देयर बिटवीन आर्टिकल 21 and article 22. According to the article 21, the constitution that guarantees the right of life, which states that the person's life or liberty can be taken away only by following a reasonable and just legal procedure. A fair trial ensures that Article 21 of Constitution upheld. Every citizen, irrespective of his class, caste, gender, religion, and ideological background, should get a fair trial when accused. That means a judge cannot jump into the conclusion. Instead, he have to remain impartial and then decide a basis of the evidences. सारे evidences सुन करके जज क्या करता है, डिसीजन लेता है सबके सामने में. ये कहलाता है फेयर ट्रायल इन ओपन कोर्ट. द रूल ऑफ लॉ सेज दैट एवरीवन इज इक्वल बिफोर द लॉ would not make much sense of every citizen. We are not guaranteed a fair trial by the constitution. So in this way we completed the revision. Tomorrow you will get what question in form of MCQ and form of short answer. So be ready with your pen, paper. Got it, children? Okay. So today what we have discussed, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Now we have 3 minutes time in our hand. If you want to ask, you can. Yes, children. You can ask your doubt. And one more thing, children. If you are connected with your friends, those who are not attending this class regularly, please convey the message that attendance is going on. जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ अटेंडेंस या तो उनके ऊपर फाइन हो जाएगा. फाइन नहीं, सॉरी, एज अ फाइन वी कैन चार्ज दैट उनको एग्जाम में नहीं दिया जाएगा बैठने. और आपको पता है ना, एग्जाम आपका रिटर्न होगा, 20 मार्क्स के ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं होंगे, पूरा एग्जाम होगा. ये तो PT2 है इसलिए ऐसा हो रहा है. यस, सो प्लीज कन्वे द मैसेज दैट अटेंडिंग क्लास इज कंपल्सरी, अटेंडेंस इज गोइंग ऑन. Have you ever noticed when our class is going on, Neha madam compulsorily comes in our class just for taking attendance, and you people are continuously under observation. Only Arham Jain and Pehal Vaidya and Suryans Gunjan, these children are there, those who are continuously on video. Rest of you are keeping on off your videos. That's not good thing, beta. You are in a class and you are only the responsible to maintain the dignity of your class. You're showing your dignity, children, है ना? I think हर क्लास में हर टीचर आपको बोलता होगा वीडियो ऑन करिए, वीडियो ऑन करिए. क्यों बोल रहे हैं? क्योंकि क्लासरूम की फीलिंग आनी चाहिए. Yes, Laksh, I got your message, बेटा. Don't be panic. I can understand, है ना? So आप लोग टीचर को ये मौका मत दो बेटा कि बार बार ये बोलो कि वीडियो ऑन कर लो, है ना? Fine. For today, this much only. Be ready for the test tomorrow. And be honest for yourself at least. Goodbye. God bless you.